Who is Nimble useful for? We have a broad range of customers across a variety of industries. Charities, financial services, manufacturing, franchises, healthcare, retail, aviation. It's a long list. But one thing that our customers have in common is that they're looking for a platform that's straightforward to use and backed up by real human support. And that's exactly what we provide. Whether you're new to e-learning or have used other platforms in the past, we'll make sure you have everything you need to deliver online training to your teams. You might also be pleasantly surprised by the cost. Don't assume e-learning will be too expensive if you're a small organisation. Our great value Nimble Plus package will get you up and running with essential courses you're likely spending time and money on already, like data protection or health and safety. So if excellent customer service and a great user experience are important to you above all else, Nimble might be the perfect fit.